A Kei Truck, K-class truck, or Japanese mini truck, known in Japan as a Kitora light truck, is a style of pickup truck built to satisfy the Japanese Kaigidosha light vehicle statutory class of light vehicles. They are produced by a wide range of Japanese automakers and are available in rear-wheel or four-wheel drive. Kei trucks were first introduced in Japan in 1959 and have since been widely used throughout Asia. Since at least the 2020s, they have become increasingly popular in North America, earning a cult following for the affordability and reliability. This is a Kei truck, looks like in a 1x10 scale RC model, a must-have for RC enthusiasts. With rear-wheel drive, adjustable steering, detailed body, and a rear suspension. The doors doesn't open. Here, it indicates AAA batteries, but it doesn't fit. I think it should be. AA batteries. Yes, it fits. Truly, this product is made in China. The rear wheel is hard to control. But surprisingly, the front wheels is very responsive. There's only one speed in control, and it was directed to its highest gear, leading for the movement hard to control. But when you put a load on the truck bed, it will slows down like it's been in its first gear. Its interior is surprisingly detailed. The seat, the steering wheel, gear shift, and even the dashboard is remarkable.